So this is my UB1250 battery. This one is 12 volt, 5 amp hour, and basically these batteries are used for multiple things. So this specific battery is coming out of my equipment trailer. This powers the breakaway brake system. So if for some reason your trailer gets disconnected from your vehicle, this powers the electric brakes to bring it to a stop. But we also have these in our alarm system in our home, so that way if we have a power loss, then this battery takes over and it runs the alarm system in the home. And also, these are the backup batteries that are in our garage door openers. So we have 2 garage door openers and both of them have one of these batteries in it. So that way, again, if you have a power outage, you can still open your garage door. They last, it says on here, check them every 3 to 5 years, replace every 3 to 5 years. You probably can get more than that out of them. I think this one has been in the equipment trailer for probably at least 5 years, if not close to 10. And, I test the brakes on it once a year. Basically, when I go put new tags on it, I just do a quick check of everything on it and I pull the little pin out of the equipment trailer to make sure the brakes lock up. And it didn't this year. So it's time to replace this. I'm going to go order one of these. And, they're not that expensive and they're great insurance for, power outages or loss of connection on your vehicle. You just need to have these in here. So, been a good battery and I'm going to go ahead and order another. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.